Question number 34. Which description of Kirchhoff's first law is correct? First law is correct. First law, what is first law? First law states that at a node, okay, let me write it down. At a node, summation of I, input currents, incoming currents is equal to summation of outgoing currents, which means I have one current here, another current here, another current here, for example. Then I will say this is your I1, this is your I2, this is your I3. I can now say I1 plus I3 is equal to I2. That's what it is. So now what does it say? It means that the total charge is being conserved. So now let us look at this. It considers the current at a junction in a circuit, and is a consequence of the conservation of charge. Charge is seen to be conserved, and also this one. Two properties that you need to look at. So therefore A is the right answer. If you look at the other ones, it's incorrect. Considers currents at a junction in a circuit. Okay, first part is correct. It's a consequence of conservation of energy. No energy has been considered. Look at this one here. Electromotive forces and potential difference in the circuit loop. So where does this come? This is your Kirchhoff's second law here. Okay, so this is not your first loop. So here this is not even Kirchhoff's second law, because this statement applies for Kirchhoff's second law, but this statement is incorrect here, because there we have conservation of energy. So here once again, this is your one statement correct. This statement is also correct. Only if the question was asked for KVL, okay, not for first law. Okay.